For this bathroom, we're gonna be, that section is a steam room there. There's gonna be a door going in the, right there. And then you got the section here for you to step out of the shower. So steam room / shower. We'll put the tile here on the ceiling so this hot steam, the condensation will drip down, and we'll put it on an angle. So then it allows the drip to take place. Couple vanities, large mirror, vanity lights. So this came out really nice. And like I said, this is going to be the steam room section, and that's the shower section over there. So it's going to be 2 glass doors. And the glass guy's coming next week to put in a glass door here so you can step out of the shower, and there'll be a glass door in the middle here so you can step from the steam room to the shower so you don't have to step out. Okay, and then the master closet here, we added additional shelves, recessed lights. So you got shelves going all around, and then one more shelves on this side, and then some more shelves on this side. So master closet. Okay, so this is done. Then across there you got the other 2 bedrooms over there. Okay. So now you're gonna sand this and restain it. The client took initiative on his own to try to do some work, and he didn't do a good job. So now we got to redo his work. So we're gonna charge for that. This is bedroom number 1 here. Recessed fans, ceiling lights. The double doors for the closet, hardwood floors throughout. TV outlet to put the TV. Okay, so this room is done. And then you got the chandelier. Chandelier light is here. So that got put in. And then the 3rd bedroom. It's the 3rd bedroom here. Waiting on the window blinds to come in. Last thing is to do the window blinds. And then with this, we made half of it wood shelves and then half of it the wire for the closet. So this is bedroom number 3. Okay. All right, so this project is in Prince Frederick, Maryland. Brickfront Properties and Construction. We've been doing this for a long time. We build houses. Electrical, plumbing, HVAC, drywall, tile. So if you guys need something, we work with a lot of insurance companies, big jobs, but we also do little jobs as well. Okay. It's a great neighborhood, quiet. And then here, you got the basement. I'll take you to the basement. Put in carpet on the stairs, the new banister here. Okay. The customer wanted to keep running the dehumidifier just to make sure 100%, even though everything's dry 1,000%, but the customer is the customer. He wants to do what he wants to do. All right, so the basement area, recessed light, LVP floors, new door to the patio, to the outside. Then you got a bathroom over there and a bedroom back here. And then you got this common section. And then you got another room back here. So I guess they're calling this the gym room. So this is where we put in the drop ceilings. We put an electric sub panel here, and then in this back storage room, put in another put insulation, extra insulation back here, and extra insulation on the walls, new plumbing pipes, and then put in another sub panel there. So there's 2 sub panels in this house in the basement. Okay. And this is the utility room, water heater, furnace. So everything here is done. Brickfront Properties and Construction. Give us a call, look us up. If you need any projects, Sid Hamid, 703-855-3324. Thank you. Take care.